Okay, just one more video to help you finish up and complete the 5.02 graded assignment. So in the 50, we've gone through the information in the 501 lesson, and the 502 lesson is basically the same thing. It just is where you're going to find the assignment itself, and you will complete it from there. But let's just go through again the comparing and contrasting the North and the South. So I've shown you some different resources that were in the lesson resources, and one of them was the similarity and differences sheet. And I really didn't get a chance to go through that in the last video, so I wanted to look at it one more time and go through that. Phooey, come on. Here we go. Let's move it over and look at it here. So the daily life and economy in the North and the South, comparing and contrasting. So here is the similarities and differences sheet. Please use this to help you look at the common factors between both of the areas and the differences between both. And now you have to put them together into an essay. And if you're struggling a little bit to put this into an essay, I have this little template in front of you. You should have at least 3 paragraphs for your compare and contrast essay. Your introduction would be the beginning, and here you can introduce. Now this is just a template. This isn't exactly how it has to be done. This is just a suggestion, a way to help you out if you're really stuck. In the beginning, you could introduce the similarities, the comparisons, the things they had in common. What were some of the things that both the North and the South had in common? And then your body paragraphs could be describing the differences. You could start with the North. What was the things in the North like? Was your economy more industrial or agricultural? Looking at your answer to the above question, what was the main crops or industry in that region in the North? Were there more cities in the North or more rural? What was the labor force made up of? And you could talk about what it was like in the North and how it was different. In the South, in the next paragraph, what was the South like? Was their economy more industrial or agricultural? What was the main crop? Were there more cities or rural areas? What was the labor force made up of? Those are the things you would focus in on your body paragraphs to focus in on the economy and daily life. And then for your conclusion, think about now what might all these differences, what might the potential problems, might all these differences between the North and the South lead to? So you can kind of make a prediction and think about how it might be different in the future. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.